going on, guys? Lynette here, and in today's video we have a brand new subscription box to show to you guys. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right, guys, so welcome back. So yes, I have a brand new subscription for you guys. If you didn't catch the name or if you didn't look at the title, this one is called Fortunately Inspired. So thank you guys for Fortunately Inspired for sending this box to me so I can share with you guys what Fortunately Inspired is, and I have their website here, and we also have a coupon code for those of you who are interested in this box. Definitely stay tuned for that, and I'll put it somewhere in the bottom of the video too, so you guys can check it out. Now, Fortunately Inspired is a motivation inspirational box for you. So rather than you get a box for everyone else, this is totally focused on you. I'm gonna read a little bit from their website so you guys can check that out and just get a little feel more about this subscription box. So they have two different boxes. Basically, the box is for women who rock. Fortunately Inspired is a fierce and fun monthly subscription box for lifestyle essentials. We strive to inspire and encourage, elevate women to pursue their best life. Self-improvement and personal growth should be fun and exciting. If you're seeking to ignite personal change and improvement, treat yourself today. So like I said, they have a mini box and then they have the signature box. So there are two different subscriptions there. One is $49.95 and then the other one is called a Fortunately Inspired mini box. So I'm not too sure which box this is here, but I know the difference between the boxes are the mini box has 4 to 5 items in it, so we'll find out in a second. So if we have 4 to 5, at least we know that's a mini. So let's get into the box and see what is inside. So this is how the box comes, and as you can see there, it has their website. It's really, really pretty, and it's really heavy. It's definitely packed up, and it says it's the ultimate women's rock box. So that is what that looks like there. So when I tell you this is heavy, it's literally busting out the box because there's just so much value in the box. So, all right, so this is what it looks like when you open it up inside. And it's kind of cool because it looks like a gift, right? When you look at other subscription boxes. This is very unique because this definitely has a different vibe to it. Okay, so this has a note here. So it says, just for you, let me see, a fierce and fun monthly subscription box inspiring personal growth. Everything is Figureoutable by Mary. So these are the items here, so we're not going to even get into that. So that it looks like it gives you an affirmation postcard there, so that's pretty cool. Affirmation of the month is I inhale confidence and exhale fear. So that is really, really cool. And then on the back, it has like spaces for notes, takeaways, favorite quote, and pages to read. I actually love that. That's really, really unique. So good job, guys. All right, so, okay. So I'm not too sure where to start because there's like a lot of stuff in this box. And let you guys see, it's very, very packaged neatly. So I'm definitely impressed by that so far. So we'll start with this one. So this is Mini Luxe 100 card stock sheets by RosanneBeck collection. So let me take a look here. Okay, so these RosanneBeck collection note stock cards, this is $14.99. So this is really, really cool. I'm definitely gonna put this on my desk. It says, I do a thing called What I Want. Like I said, this box is for you, so you can definitely get value and get value out of that. So it's really, really pretty. It's packaged really, really pretty with that ribbon there. So that is $14.99. And then let us take a look. This is by Handmade. What is this here? Not too sure yet. I don't see that in the list here, so let me take a look inside to see. So it looks like it's hold on, I'll let you guys see. So I'm gonna put it back in the box so you guys can see. This is something, maybe it's just handmade in general. So this is like a feather. I'm gonna look to see if it's on the postcard at all. Let me see. Oh, geometric earrings, fortunately inspired. That is $16.99. So these are earrings. Let me take that out. I wasn't too sure at first what this was, but these are earrings. There you go. And then this here is a vintage feather bookmark. And this is $9.99, and it's not plastic. This is actually metal. So that is really, 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 really different. You guys can see that there. I've never seen like a metal bookmark like that. So that is very, very cool. Okay, so these are 2 handmade items there. So that is really, really cool. So we'll put that to the side. And then the next items we have here are clear your head shower steamers, eucalyptus and menthol. So that is very, very cool. I've never tried a shower steam at all. Let me see here. And this is by Sammer Soaps. This is $7.15. Let me see. Okay, so it says 4 1L steamers. You place this in the shower out of the direct spray of water to allow a steamer to release aroma. Not for use in bathtubs, and it tells you the different ingredients there. So that is very, very different. So you guys can see the packaging there. And those are the shower steamers. So I'm definitely in, that's cool. And then the next item we have here is a bar. So this is a fruit bar. So this is from That's It. It's 1 mango and 1 apple bar. So let me put that there so you guys can see that better. And this is $1.18. And then last but not least, we have here, it's a book, by Marie Forleo. This book will change lives. This is Everything is Figureoutable. So that's what was in the postcard there. And this is a $25 book. So like I said, this is an inspirational subscription box. So this is all about you sitting back, relaxing, maybe taking notes from the quote, the affirmation of the month. Is really, really cool. And then let me see. So I'll read what the back says here. It says, what does it take to make a reader feel loved, inspired? Oh, these are different, sorry, those are different quotes. This book delivers a knockout punch. So let's be honest, none of us were given an owner's manual at birth. If you're having trouble solving a problem or making a dream happen, the problem isn't you. It's not you're not working hard, intelligent, or deserving, but you haven't yet installed the one key belief that will change everything. So, whoa, can't wait to dive deep into this one. So, let us do a recap and see what all came in this inspirational box. So, first but not least, we have the book. So, this is by Mary Forleo. I've definitely heard of her before. Definitely excited to dive deep into that. So, we have the book. And then we have our 4 steamer bath shower steamers, and we have our handmade, so that's the purpose of the bookmark. That was cool. So we have the earrings, and then we have the metal feather metal bookmark there, and then we have our note cards as we're taking notes from our book. So it says, I do a thing called What I Want. I love this. This is really cool. And then we have our bar. While our little bar here while we're reading a book. So I love it. This is definitely a different subscription box than I've actually had on this channel before. So thank you guys for Unfortunately Inspired for sharing this one with me. I'm definitely excited to dive into this one, and I think it was a great buy. So again, I'll put a little coupon code that Fortunately Inspired gave me so that you guys can take use out of it if you want to grab this box. I definitely look, I love boxes that are, I like boxes that are totally different. So it's not all about like the beauty boxes and stuff like that, because you only have one face. So there's but so much beauty things that can come in the mail, because you know you only have one face, like I said. But I like different subscription boxes that just give you something different. You know, there's so much stuff happening in the world, so sometimes you need that inspiration to treat yourself. It's all about treating yourself first so that you can help others. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about this box. Is it worth it? I definitely think it is. So with that being said, you guys definitely make sure you like and subscribe if you love subscription boxes and reviews and hauls, because that's what we do here. But you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.